This is information about using the Champaign County Aries portable radio, the Go radio. First thing you need to do is to make sure that the coax is connected to the back, and then you turn it around. It's got two latches up here on the top. One place the antenna can be mounted is right on this metal plate. It doesn't have to be. It can be mounted somewhere else. Somewhere else would probably have a better ground plane, but this makes it nice and portable. You can open up the two latches up here on top, and this drops down. You can see that there's a battery pack in there as well as a power supply, and the power supply power cord is normally stored here, and just put it into this little notch that's been set up there. Plug it into your normal average 110 volt power supply, and that will get the battery charging. You can use it either on battery or while it's plugged in. Battery might be a little low, so I'm going to use it while it's plugged in at the moment. There's also the microphone is stored inside of here, and the remote head does have a longer cable, so you could actually remove it and put it out further away if you needed, but normally it's just stored right in here. The power button is located on the top left, and I'll show you how to set both of these frequencies here. So to change between bands as to which one is transmitting, you can see that it says PTT above the 440 right at the moment. You move that back and forth by pressing in on the volume control, and the squelch is right back behind that, so you can see how that works there. Sorry about that. If we want to set this frequency to say national simplex frequency, you can press in on the large button, tune that to 146. If you press in again, then it locks the megahertz in place. As far as the small portion, you can just quickly tune it, and it will go to 146.52. You noticed possibly as well that the duplex disappeared automatically when it got into simplex range. Anything below about 146.4 somewhere is part of a repeater pair, so it knows that, so it automatically puts it there for you. But when you tune above, then you get to 146.52 and everything is good. So we wanted that side to be 146.52. We want to change the power. Right now it's on L, which is low. You hit the low button and it will jump to high. It also has a medium power. Then let's say that I want to set the other to our repeater. Then press in on the right button there. It brings up the push to talk on the right hand side, the 440 side now. Also notice that the numbers are slightly bigger when it's on the transmit side. And anyway, so if we want to set this, we do the exact same thing. We want to go to 444.100. We press in on the button. We go to 444, and then we can just manually tune that down to 100. The duplex is already set again, and then we need to set the tone. So we turn on tone by pressing the tone button. Just once, it shows the T there, and then if we want to actually set the tone, we need to hit F for function, T for tone select, and then it shows 162.2, and you change that by rotating the large knob. Once it's to where you want it, you can hit OK, and then let me see, it should be able to key up the repeater, I believe. Yep, it was, but I had the volume down. Let's try that again. November 9, Oscar, Quebec Tango test. N90 QT clear. So that's really what you're going to be using the vast majority of the time will be that. It does have a built-in TNC, so you can do packet with it as well. You can see that that option's actually turned on up there at the top left at this point. And anyway, it has a lot of other functions, but if you're needing to get out, just turn the radio on and set up some communications on 2 or 440. That really quickly should do it for you. Thanks for watching.